Bring him from the yard. Arr.
And I would like to thank my first mate supporters, Andre Cruz. As a member of Diecast International Builders, I approve this video. This is Don the Diecast Pirate, and today I have for you another episode of What's in the Case? And this is episode 10. I have something special to show you guys this week. And if you have not seen the National Redline Day Redline builds, guys, go check them out. Okay, there's my car on the turd table, and it's really reignited my fire for these Redline cars, and I'm kind of thinking about putting more emphasis on restoring the Redlines on the channel. I'll still do customs for build-offs and invitationals, and obviously the subscriber's choice car every month will get done too. The original Redlines are what really got me into wanting to do this, and I have so many, and I just feel like they deserve to shine, right? And what's in this case is something that I want to start getting into, and I haven't even done a Sweet 16 car yet. I started one. It's not finished. We're going to get that done. And that's that custom Barracuda and also the custom Charger. But let's take a look at what's in here. Okay. So, I want to position this in such a way that you can't see what's in it, and I can pull them out one at a time. So I think we're going to start with this one right here, and if I can get it out of there. It's stuck, guys. So there it comes. And this is one I think I showed on a new arrivals video a while back. It's a Boss Hoss with a crunched in roof. I really want to do a restoration on this sometime, but that's going to be a more challenging one, right? Let's see if we can refocus the camera here, and I'm just going to leave that bifocal sitting up there for you guys the whole time. And next we have if I can get it out. Here we go. Another one that was shown in the new arrivals. It's a King Cuda. So that one I think is going to make a great restoration. So Boss Hoss, King Cuda. Oh, how about a Light My Firebird? Kid painted. Got this one off of Mercari. I probably paid too much for it, but I don't care. That's going to be an awesome restoration, right? I kind of like this one too. A Sugar Caddy. Very nice car. Very nice. Not too bad, actually. We will do a restoration on this sometime, just to make it perfect. Right? Oh, let's see. How about a nitty gritty kitty? Kid painted. This was originally, looks like a Spectra Flame green card. That's going to be awesome, right? Oh, what else do we have in here? Not that one. How about, what do we have? A TNT bird. That's pretty awesome, right? How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay, right? So that means we have a heavy Chevy. And we have an Evil Weevil. Check that out. That's a whole set. Right? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But you know what? I really love a nitty gritty kitty. I think they're absolutely amazing. And the King Kudas are super awesome. Right? And Light My Firebirds really get me. They put a warm feeling in my heart. Okay. And who doesn't love a sugar caddy? And a TNT bird. Or even a heavy Chevy. And a Boss Hoss. I think these are super awesome cars. I really do. And I just gotta say, Light My Firebirds really turned me on to Redlines. And nitty gritty kitties are something special. And who doesn't love a TNT bird? Or a heavy Chevy. And this Boss Hoss is super awesome. You know, and this TNT bird is really something special. And a heavy Chevy is something to behold. And, you know, a heavy Chevy is one of the best cars, I think. More than 12 cars this week, guys. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and if you count the bifocal, 24. I think I spoiled you guys. Nah. Hey, don't forget, on the 15th of next month, we have the first Diecast International Builders build of the Surf Wagons. On the 15th of July, we have the VW Bug Clown Cars. Hope you guys will come build with us and show us what you got. I wanted to get these out and show them so I can start some restorations on these, because I have been waiting and waiting and waiting. And yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Leave a comment down below, click that like button for me, and ring that bell for notifications. As always, this is Don the Diecast Pirate, and I will see you next time.